So tasty in the morning, so tasty in the morning. I'm a little delirious. Isn't that a ding 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 ding? Market's open. I have no idea what's going on. I kind of have an idea where Bitcoin is. We'll take a look at the stock market. We'll take a look at crypto. I'd say it's going to be a quick one. Talk about our boy CAPO. Actually, it might not be a quick one. I forgot. I think yesterday was payday in Cardano. I didn't even look. So we can see what's going on over there. I know one thing going on over there. That would be anyone? Oh, that'd be Stacy's mom. I'm so delirious. Isn't that a Prince song? Man. I don't know about you all. I got less than 6 hours sleep last night, so that's why I'm a little. And I took a shitload of caffeine this morning. So who knows what's gonna come at you today? What was I thinking? What was I gonna say? It's kind of important. Maybe it wasn't. Can't remember. How important can it be? I do feel a little cracked out right now. I drank one of those Gatorade Twitches, and then I took a caffeine pill, and I think some of that's like colliding. And I feel a surge. Oh, just a surge. Anyway, hello everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus. I am the bombest. I don't know, like, do you youngins even know what I'm the bomb, right? Like that used to be a big thing back in my day. I guess that still kind of plays today. All right, let's pop on over to the desktop, see what we got going on. I see some red. I see Tesla up big. Holy hell, what the hell is going on with Tesla? Get the chat popped out. Bring that bad boy over. We're going to line this up. Oh, yeah. That surge of caffeine is coming. All right. E-mini S&P up 25. I saw my Ethereum long on. It didn't do shit all weekend. There was a point where I was up I was down close to 100. And then at one point I was up like 20, 30 bucks. I should have taken it off, but I kind of wanted to see what it was like to keep it on for a long period of time, like how much the carrying cost eats away at you. Still trying to fully understand that. Anyway, E-mini S&P up 26, NASDAQ up 8. It's a little weird that the E-mini is up quite a bit more than the NASDAQ. Usually the NASDAQ, that's a little bit inverted. The E-mini S&P to NASDAQ inversion curve. Recession, depression. It's inverted. Let's open the bubbly. Guess what's in this bubbly? If you guess more caffeine, you're correct. All right, my Coinbase position. Why is it down $1.40? What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin futures down 60 bucks, pushing 28,000. Coinbase should be up. I'm still, I've made $341 on the old option chain. First it was a strangle, then we rolled up the puts, and then we took off the call, and now it's just a put that's in the money, but it's still up good. Volatility, we got a little volatility crush, a little premium decay going on in our favor. Let's see, we got 25 days to go. I typically like to close or roll it between 20 to 25 days. I think there's a pretty good chance we'll get an up move in Coinbase. What happens? I want to see what we can get if we roll it out. So we can roll it out and get another 385 credit. roll it out 30 days, get another 385 credit. The gift that keeps on giving, I believe I can fly. I believe the risk is to the upside in Coinbase. Let's see if there's call skew. All right, so we're at 65. We're gonna go, we'll go like 5 out. 535, 525. We'll go to about 1095. Yeah. There's like 2-to-1 call skew. Holy shit. I don't think I've ever seen it that bad. So what I'm doing is I'm looking how much premium you can get going like $5 down or $5 up. You can get $10 credit, $11 credit on a 71 at 65.60. You go down to 60, and you're only getting $5. That's insane. Yeah, the risk is definitely to the upside in that sucker. All right, let's look at my coin on my Tesla Iron Condor. $1.59. What did I pay for? What did I get in credit? Oh, I rolled it up. So we've made $1.59 plus 32. The change should tell us that close to $2. Cost basis $1.91. $1.50. Yeah, that's about right. That's exactly right. Same situation, 25 days to go on this. This one should start coming in over the next 5 days, as long as Tesla doesn't moon to the upside or crash to the downside. It just needs to stay between 160 and 220. There's a pretty good shot of that happening. If we look at, I mean, if anything, I could tighten this bitch up. Only about a 20% chance. More risk to the upside. I mean, I can go like this. I used to be able to, I don't know how to fix this, but there was a way to see the percent of in the money. Let's see. I'll play around with that later. Except for my OCD's kind of getting in the way right now. All right, screw it. Gold, $34, down $34. It's at 1967, so it was actually pushing 2K. It's still right there. MBT is the mini Bitcoin. It's like kind of a weird vehicle. It's 1/10 the size of Bitcoin. It might be that'll probably be cool when Bitcoin's $1 million. When Bitcoin's only 28,000, who wants to trade a future that's 1/10 the size of Bitcoin? You're gonna put like 3 or 4 contracts on, or 10 contracts on, and then you're paying a lot in fees. Silver, $23, going kind of back to the upside, but down 30 cents. Silver has been in a range between like, I don't know, 21 and 24. Volatility down 42 cents, down to 22.80. Bonds down, bonds down 1 full point and 11 ticks. What is corn doing? Down 250 a bushel? No. It's in per 5,000 bushels. Whatever. Notes down almost a full point. Soybeans down. Why am I telling you about soybeans and wheat? Because it's great content. That's why. That's why you tune in. Palantir. I don't think there's anything I can do here in Palantir. These are some puts I did. Profit. Let's take a look at how we've done year to date in the ERA. We've made unrealized 23,000. Not bad. Thank you, Tesla. We're actually down in coin. Oh, unrealized, realized. Yeah, that's about right. So look at that. Nothing but winners. Nothing but winners. That's why you should follow me at Nostradamus. Everything I tell you is, I'm kidding. It's not financial advice. But nothing but winners over here. Coinbase, I think is a really good risk versus reward stock. Tesla, I think one of the three top investments on the planet. Yes, even at these ridiculous, there's no reason Tesla should be worth more than every other automaker combined. Hey, dumbasses. Tesla just makes cars as a side. It's just a side hustle for them. In fact, the cars are one big fat data mining, right? It's data mining your driving. The full self-driving is going to be worth $1 trillion plus by itself. You got semis, you got robots. Oh my goodness, you have no idea how big robots can be in the future. Is Tesla going to be the one that's making billions off robots? It wouldn't surprise me. They know how to manufacture, streamline manufacturing. They got some of the most revolutionary car manufacturing on the planet, highly efficient with single die systems that get better and better. They continue to push the envelope on the best. Do you think they're not going to do that with robots? Huh? Do you really? They got Neuralink as a side hustle that's going to like put all that shit together. Use your brain. Use your brain. It's common sense. NVIDIA, they used to put like NVIDIA video cards in their cars. They're like, F that. We got some of the best. We got the second best engineers on the planet. You know what? We're going to also call up, what is that? Star? I really am going to. We're going to call up SpaceX. Oh, by the way, who has the best engineers on the planet. And say, hey, man, you know, we need a little help over here. They made a graphics card that's way better than the NVIDIA. Or, you know, a graphics chip for their Tesla. Cheaper and actually better. They ought to start selling that shit. You really think they're not going to come out with smart, like, HVAC systems and all this other cool shit for homes? Elon's been tied to that one housing company. Juggernaut is what Tesla is. All right, enough about Tesla. But if you want to know a stock I'm still trying to accumulate more of, you want to take a guess on what that might be? If you guess Tesla, you guess right. All right. I thought I said enough about Tesla. Ooh. Yeah, I thought it was. Ugh, excuse me. I'm down $41 on my long. It's probably the dumbest trade I've ever done in my life. All right, let's see what's going on in Bitcoin and crypto. It's gonna be pretty boring. 27,781. Bitcoin's been hanging around 27.7. I think it went down as low as like, yeah, I actually did go. Wait, is this right? I don't remember it being almost 27,000 on Saturday. I mean, it's still in an uptrend, but it's really struggling at 28,000. Seems to be quite a resistance point. 28,150, 28,250 is a fib, I guess. I don't know if it's a perfect line. Looks pretty freaking close. Ethereum 1761. It's kind of been between 1730 and like as high as 18 something. Kind of the same thing. It's struggling with an uptrend line we got here, it looks like. There was some scuttlebutt about the weekly and the 200. I don't know if there was the SMA or the EMA. Yeah, it's above the 200 SMA for sure on the weekly. 2 weeks. It's closed above it 2 weeks in a row. That line's around 25.6. So, and the month close is on Friday. And there's some scuttlebutt that this is bull market confirmed. But we need to close above this on the monthly. And that is looking like the beginning of a bull market, which leads me to my title. CAPO is a, let's poll time. CAPO is a clown genius. All right, CAPO. What did CAPO have to say recently? He had something. Oh, by the way, don't go watch this right now. But this is mandatory viewing. No, I want the YouTube link. Why does Discord got to do its own? This is mandatory viewing. Great video. This guy I've never heard of this guy before. He's from like Morgan Stewart or some, I don't know. He's a pretty cool, I love his energy. Pretty smart dude. Has a lot to say. I don't know why they call the title Choke Point Confirmed. They didn't really talk much about Choke Point. There's a lot of people starting to subscribe to the theory that the United States is still doing Choke Point. Choke Point, to my understanding, was created during the Obama administration. That's true, man. That breaks my heart a little because I like Obama. I don't know what the government's trying to do. If they're trying to discourage crypto, they're doing themselves a huge disfavor. Right? Now, if they're trying to FUD because they're trying to accumulate, I give them more respect for that, but it's kind of a dick move. I will say the United States is probably scared, and rightly so. They're probably honestly panicking big time. Because the dollar, I don't know, man. Like, some people believe it's as strong as ever. Other people think, you got the BRICS company. BRICS, is that Brazil, Russia, India, China? Yeah, so just there's no K. Is there a S? Who's the S? Brazil, Russia, India, China, Syria? I don't know if there's an S. I don't know, but they've created their own dollar. You got some recent country in Africa is like, we're denouncing the dollar. United States a little nervy. Rightly so, if you ask me. I've said numerous times, I think the United States is getting ready to sell some more Bitcoin that they've seized. I'm like, dumbasses, hold on to that shit and put it on the Fed balance sheet. Just hold, just hodl. Spin up Bitcoin mining at Hoover Dam or wherever the hell, That's why you should elect me for president in 2024. I used to have this guy named Bort that was going to be my vice president, but I think he might be dead. I'm not sure what happened to him. But, yeah. Spin up Ethereum nodes. Oh, do you want to know what I think the two greatest investments, not financial advice, are in the history going forward? Like, if you've already missed the boat on Bitcoin and Shiba Inu, that's sad that Shiba Inu, if you would have invested like $1,000 in Shiba Inu, you'd probably be a trillionaire if you would have bought at the bottom and sold at the top. But going forward, the two, and I'm not saying this one would make, I don't know what the next Shiba Inu or Bitcoin's going to be. I just know what the best investments out there to give you the best setup for success. Not financial advice. Number 1, Ethereum. Dun, dun, dun. Number 2, Bitcoin. In 4 more days, guess what I'll be buying? If you guess Bitcoin and Ethereum, you are correct, sir and ma'am. Every first and every 16th, like clockwork. Don't even think about it. Cha-ching. I thought about buying some more this weekend, but I didn't. I got to make sure I keep my credit cards paid off. Credit card interest rates are insane. If you got credit card debt, I don't know. Do whatever you can do to get that shit paid off. Mow lawns, pick up. I know it's a meme, but you can make pretty good money at McDonald's these days. If you're young, just grind it out. Grind it out really hard for like a year or two. You gotta make decisions. And it's hard to make decisions right now because ChatGPT, you don't know what's gonna be around in 5 years. You can't live in fear though. So I'm still kind of wanting to learn Python. I still think I might, but I keep dropping the ball. But invest in yourself. I don't know. Like, I wonder if like even real estate agents are going to be a thing. I guess you still need good real estate agents real estate agents are going to, I don't know, man. You can get really good video tours and shit like that. I don't know what's going to happen to real estate agents now I think about it. Farnswoggle P. Horsetooth. He's one of those, I always can't, helps lawyers do shit. What's her face? Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? Oh, my Costco order is scheduled for delivery at 10:10 a.m. Got a love today. Farnswoggle, he's one legal. Let's see. Meghan Markle played one of these on one of the greatest shows of all time, Suits. What's that shit called? When they write shit up for lawyers. If I were what Farnswoggle was, you know what? I'm probably going to get the subscription myself. The shit's getting so good with ChatGPT, and that bro was on What's His Face's podcast. I'm still oiling up, like I'm still greasing up the brain. Lex Friedman, the ChatGPT guy, was on there. I watched about the first 20 minutes. It was kind of boring, to be quite frank, but I'm still brain farting. Anyway, if I was Farnswoggle, I'd probably have whoever I'm doing shit say, hey, buddy, I need a chat, and just use that shit. Learning how to be really good at ChatGPT is one of those skills I would immediately start working on. It's going to enhance just about anything you do in life. They got a lot of plugins coming with that shit. It is going to revolutionize the world. AI is where some of the best money-making gains will be made in the next 5 to 10 years. We're going to be doing a lot of AI coverage and AI coins. Probably look at some today. Anyway, back to CAPO. Tangent. Let's just talk about CAPO really quick. He had a recent tweet. I don't think it showed up here for some reason. Yeah, I'm convinced. He said something like, the higher it goes, the harder it will fall. He is doubling down. So Ricky said he's a genius. Ricky, did you vote that or did someone else vote that? CAPO. Still short and strong. March 19th. Despite all the noise, I know that the vast majority of those who follow me are genuine and good people. Yeah, I love you, bro. And these deserve an update. So I will tell you, this is like the one thing that just like makes me think, man, because this guy's been more right long term than anyone. Anyone. Him and Savy. So I'm assuming Savy's still calling for 3K. We'll pull up his video, a recent video, and see what he has to say. The time away from Twitter is blah, blah, blah. Thank you, blah, blah, blah. Price broke 25K, but altcoins didn't follow. Altcoins are doing okay. And just because Bitcoin is gaining dominance, I mean, that just means the alt season could be next. My system keeps telling me that the move from the lows is a highly manipulated move, mostly with BUSD and USDC. And soon the truth could come out. And when that happens, he's still saying new lows are likely. I think he had a more recent tweet. I'm pretty sure he did. I think March 19th. I could have sworn he had one and he said, maybe it was in that one. I could have sworn he said something like that. The higher this goes, the harder it's going to fall. You know, kind of like the bigger they are. The bigger they are, the harder they fall. Of course, they're bigger. The gravity, when they hit, it's more of a thud. I don't know if that works with trading. Anyway, this isn't the kind of life. I don't try and sit there and say I'm some genius trader. I work on my craft. I work on my skills, and I do try and buy more when it's cheaper. And I bought a lot more in the last 2 years than I did the 2 years of the bull run, right? By a large margin. In fact, before the last bull run, I put almost all my chips in, right? My biggest mistake is I didn't sell at the top. So I've been in a lot of pain the last 2 years. What do I think is a good idea? Go out and find a shitload more chips, and in this bear market push in and continue to save money, not spend money on shit, and put everything I can into Bitcoin and Ethereum primarily. Doing some DeFi, using that DeFi for some more of my, like the small risk degen shit. And there we go. So I don't know, like CAPO's completely out, which is insane to me, right? His initial target was 12K. Well, first it was like these numbers, and it kept getting lower and lower and lower. At first it was like 20 some K, and then it was like 19K, and then it was 17, then 15, and it got all the way down to 15, and then he goes 12. I'm like, dude, are you trying to time the exact bottom penny? Like what? Unless you think Bitcoin is going to like sub 10K, just start buying at 15K. You've missed out on 100% gain, right? Like, I don't get it. And the worst part is you're probably sitting there torturing yourself, thinking like, God, I better be right. I better be right, man. I just missed out. Are you, this is kind of one of the things the cool kids say. Are you really going to care whether you bought it 15K, 17K, 12K, if Bitcoin's 100,000, right? Are you really going to care if you bought Ethereum at 1,000 or even like 1,700 when it's 10,000, 20,000, right? These are numbers I think it will get to. Buy it in the bear market, sell it in the bull, right? And generally speaking, buy it in the bear market after the bull market, right? It's a 4-year cycle. And it stayed true, and it'll probably continue to stay true to some degree. That the Bitcoin halving is the most thank you gift that's ever been handed to us. The Bitcoin halving is unless Bitcoin fails, which is almost impossible at this point, almost impossible, right? Unless there's like a double spend or it gets hacked or whatever. It is you can't go wrong. You almost can't go wrong just if you're a Bitcoin maxi, good for you, right? You probably make more gains with Ethereum in your bag, but you're going to make plenty of money in Bitcoin. The Bitcoin halving is the greatest gift ever handed to you. Buy it before the Bitcoin halving, hold until, that period about a year and a half later when there's the greed indicators off the charts, right? We'll be talking about it. And then it'll be time to start selling, right? You don't have to sell it all. 10, 20, 30, 40, hell, 50, whatever it is, as much as you want, right? Do the same with Ethereum. Have a lot of cash. The best part for me next time, it's going to be all long-term capital gains. I won't pay as much as taxes. I'm still going to own a shitload of Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano at the end of the bull market. I'm going to sell a lot, and I'm going to have a shitload of dry powder. And then we say, Bob's your uncle. It's a wrap. 99% trade in the house. How you doing, brother? Ada sucks. I will say I'm gonna ban you from the channel from saying that. I'm kidding. Ada is on my. I got my eye on you. I don't know why you think Ada sucks. I'm listening. I will say Ada does have to deliver this bull market. The TVL needs to come in. Oh my goodness, Hex. You're a Hexican? I think Hex is the biggest scam on the planet. Give me the thumbs down, flip me off, ban my channel. Charles Hoskinson is one of the smartest people in cryptocurrency, but he can be a very annoying person, right? He can say a lot of things that you either love. I mean, they're both, you love them or you hate them. I think Richard Hart's a pretty smart bro too. But there's a lot of evidence out there that his entire thing is just a scam. So, I mean, if he was, I don't know if he's a scam or not, right? Is he just running because he's afraid of the United States government? Or I'll tell you right now, Hex is never going to, Hex and Pulse Chain and all that. I don't know what it is. And I'm not trying, I'm not like, we have a difference of opinion, it seems like, but if like Ethereum and Bitcoin, right? Cardano is just my, my third one. And I think it has the best shot of being a successful layer one. They're doing a lot of great things. Hex, I just don't get it, right? I really don't. If you want to trade it, I think you can make a lot of money, but it's highly risky. Again, I think what Richard Hart's a pretty smart dude for the most part. I don't believe he makes a lot of sense about it needing to be centralized, but and there's room for both, I guess. So maybe, but I don't think Hex is going to make it personally. Hex has a big okay. So there's no shot I'm selling my Cardano for Hex. We can both be right. We could both be right. I'm betting on Ada over Hex. I'll tell you that right now. Both have a really strong community, and I wish you the best, right? I really do. But I would, not financial advice, I would highly encourage you that if you're in Hex, it just be a small part of your portfolio. So there you go. I got nothing against the Hex people. I got nothing against the Hex community. I don't hate on other cryptos unless you're Solana. I'm kidding, but kind of serious. All right, let's see what's going on in the rest of crypto. Ethereum, Arbitrum, $1.24. I don't think Arbitrum's going to do much. I don't think it's going to moon. I don't think it's going to dump. So I'm just going to hold on to my Arbitrum. Oh, there was another airdrop coming up. I got kind of excited for. What was it? Sui. So we'll check that out this week. SUI, it's another project that came from Meta. There's some testnet and devnet shit you can do. It's all pretty free. I'll do that later in the week. Show you how to get some free Sui coins. Sui, pig. Ada, 35 cents. Atom, $11. What is going on with Atom? Radiant's kicking ass and calling names. I wonder who has a lot of money in Radiant and has been waxing on and clamoring about Radiant for a while. There was a YouTube out there. He's pretty smart. He's been on top of this. He does his due diligence. He does his DYOR. He's dug into the team. He's dug into the. I can't remember who it is. They're going to Binance Chain today. Is the word on the street? Let's take a look. I still can't remember. All right, you need help navigating one. Fez has you covering liquidity zapping, blah, blah, blah. Fuck this Fez guy. Here's this Fez guy. They need master rate. These mofos need to come over here and give your boy a shout out. I'm not getting paid by Radiant. Anyway, I'm pretty sure this is released, and that's probably why the token's up. I mean, the token is up in price, but they're releasing on Binance Chain. Not a fan of Binance Chain, but if it makes the Radiant token go up, I mean, it is like a top 5 chain or whatever in TVL. So, Fetch AI, what do they got going on? Get ready for ignition. What the hell is ignition? That's the day. I might have to listen to that. 12 Eastern. That's in a couple of hours. Pretty bored. Teddy Swap. What do these nerds got going on? Nothing, I guess. What's going on in the greatest Discord in the world? Someone's put. Oh, who is this sexy mofo? All right, what were we doing? Welcome to Radiant. What the hell? Oh, that's version 1. We don't want version 1. Do they have Radiant as collateral yet? They don't. Just making money. $11 a day. Did I do something with this over the weekend? Ready to vest, $96. We should definitely get that going because you got to lock it for 90 days. You want to see an amazing chain? Amazing, fast. It takes me longer to log in my ledger than it does to use this chain. And you know what happens when I talk and try and enter my PIN number? I got it right first try. I think we're on the Ethereum app. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Accept and send. Let's see how long this takes. Oh, it's done already? And you know there's a lot of people over here using this. This chain... This is why Ethereum is the greatest investment on the planet. Not financial advice, because this is layer 2 to Ethereum. All right. What does Hex got going on? Let's see. Now that we think about it, that guy's probably not here anymore because I'm not a Hexican. Hex. Let's see what kind of garbage is going on over here. I think they have some DeFi going on, actually. Let's see. No, I'm still here waiting you for the week. That ain't dude, what is there to do over here? There's no TVL. There's no DEXs. There's no anything. Like, what does the chain do? What's it do, bro? Please will drop. PLS will drop. And I don't barely know what PulseX is. I just know it's something out there you guys are all excited for. I'm gonna show me the money. Show me the TVL. Show me the money. Show me that Quan. Show me the utility. Oh, it says this has 5.43 billion TVL. What's that locked in? What is this TVL locked in? So you can trade, but it doesn't. You can't even provide liquidity, can you? Is this its own? This isn't EVM compatible? Is this layer 1? What is this? Rug pull. Coin Gecko. Hex. Oh, don't these things like kind of shit on Hex? Like CoinGecko and stuff? Like not give it apparently its proper TVL or whatever. Max. 50 cents. Currently trading at 8 cents. I mean, if you buy this now, you'll probably make money. I mean, but you're not gonna catch me buying it. Its circulating supply is unknown. Isn't it on like 2 chains? Like this chain, it's just way too complicated. It's like a multi-level marketing, multi-layer scam, right? There's like double coins on, what is this? Isn't it on like Ethereum and its own layer 1? How it works. Hex enables you to mine new coins with 38% APY. Yeah, scam, right? 38%. That's a 38% inflation rate. CDs known as, oh yeah, this is a CD marketing scam. Heck, how old are you, bro? I've been around the block too much to get snookered by one of these scams. I used to get scammed like this all the time when I was younger. Use Coin Paprika if you want true indication. PLSX. Oh, Unis. Can you provide liquidity? Can you add liquidity? You gotta egg about it so you don't. Bro. Like, I don't care that if I miss the boat. Just saying the 30s. I honestly don't care if I miss the boat on Hex. I really don't. Like, I'm not gonna miss. You know what? I'm not gonna miss the boat in Ethereum and Bitcoin, right? Hex is not anyone. Like, I love Cardano, but I don't sip the Kool-Aid so hard that I think Cardano is gonna flip Ethereum and flip Bitcoin. So if you're over there thinking Hex is gonna be the #1 chain of all time, you're setting yourself up for massive disappointment. Massive. You know why you subscribe to me? Because I tell you what you need to hear, not what you want to hear. Hex, you'll probably make money, right? If you're buying it at 8 cents, you're probably gonna make a shitload of money, right? But trust me, come hit me up. Even if you never come back in the future, set a little iPhone or Google Calendar alert to come back in 18 months and let's compare dick sizes, right? Hopefully we're both making a lot of money, but I'm gonna make it in Ethereum, Bitcoin, Arbitrum, Cardano, and a handful of AI coins. No, I'm not in. Well, I'm not in ETH. I'm in Ethereum, I'm in Bitcoin, I'm in Cardano. Those are my 3 biggest bags. My 4th biggest bag is Atom. I have some AI coins on Cardano. I have a shitload of Radiant on Arbitrum. How many cycles have BTC and ETH? Dude, we just have different philosophies. You're going for whatever X. I don't know how many X's you expect out of Hex. I'm okay with the amount of X's I'm going to get out of Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. I put 70-80% of my money into solid 3, 5, 10 X's. And, I got a little bit into more risky plays. That risky play is not going to be Hex. In my opinion, Hex is more likely a scam than it's not. It might not. Cardano might not run harder than Hex, but it might. Cardano has the potential to be $1 trillion layer 1. right? I've done a shitload of DYOR on it. I know what they're doing. I know what Hydra is. I know what input endorsers are. I know all the PAVs, Plutus application, but I DYOR harder than most people on the internet, bro. I know I'm an engineer myself, so most of it makes sense to me. All the compression, hyper-threading, off-chain stuff that they're doing, it's amazing. They got Midnight coming, that's amazing. They got layer 2s coming, that's amazing. They got interoperability that's coming. They got actual projects that provide world utility, including World Mobile Token that is in use right now in Africa for data, to give people data and cell plans, and exploding rapidly. They got NewNet, an AI playoff Singularity, an AI layer 2. Oh, World Mobile Token, by the way, is on Tendermint Atom consensus mechanism, but layer 2 using Cardano, whatchamacallit, security settlement layer, right? The DGED stable. I could go on and on to the break it on. NewNet doing open source AI. I deeply researched their team, PhDs in machine learning and artificial general intelligence. What has Hex got, bro? What is you start spewing some facts about Hex like I just did about Cardano, right? I just dropped the mic so fucking hard right now. Anyway, if the TVL, if I told you I've got my eye on Cardano, the TVL on Cardano needs to reach into the billions this bull run. So my thesis is Cardano will at least see all-time highs again, which will be $3. $3 Cardano, I'm sitting fucking pretty, bro. But if the TVL comes in, Cardano will moon to $5 to $10 easy, right? And they got some good projects over there. We're going to take a look at that in a bit. But Cardano's doing pretty good, but they only have 143 million in TVL. MinSwap's doing great. Indigo's great. I love the JED, liquid shit. Meld, their UI shit, but I think they're going to be a good coin. Ada's pretty cool. Their TVL, I mean, they're DeFi right now, you know? Like I said, this needs to be in the billions. If it's not in the billions the next bull run, I will be selling a lot of my Cardano. You know, and you can come back in 18 months and say and maybe you made a lot more money on Hex, and maybe you're right. But I'm more conservative. I'm not in my 30s, right? I'm not going to risk a lot of my money on something other than Bitcoin, Ethereum, Arbitrum. I'm extremely bullish on Cardano. I'm on the fence about, but I know I'm at least going to cash out highly profitable. Dude, I've been buying Cardano since 15 cents, bro. And I'm earning a lot of money every 5 days over there. Every 5 days, liquid staking. Actually, let's go take a look. ADA DeFi is trapped. How would you know? You're just talking shit. You've never done it. Have you ever done ADA DeFi? You're just talking shit to talk shit, bro. All right, I'll show you. Oh, this fucking thing, man. Okie dokie. Artichoke. All right. Man, my eyes, I'm seeing double polka dot. I don't see Cardano on here. That's going to be annoying. There it is. All right. We need to go to the wallet. We need to go to Ledger. We We need to go to, see that number right there, bro? Take that number right there times $3 and ask me if I'm going to be fucking crying that Hex is mooning. All right, let's go to account list. Let's activate this one. It's already active. It's already there. Let's go to Indigo. Let's go to dashboard. Let's go to rewards. Oh, back up. So yesterday I pulled in 82 Indy every 5 days. Every 5 days, bro. All right, let's go to tap tools. Tap. Layer 0. I'm really excited about that one. All right. Indy is 4.85. So 82 times 4.85 times 0.35. $140 every 5 days. I'm making close to that. I can't complain, bro. I can't complain. And I have like 8,000 in the LP over there. So how do I do a 1 over? Like that. And then I don't know if I'm doing this right. Times 8, 1, 2, 3. No. 139 divided by 8, 1, 2, 3. 0.01, almost 2%. I'm earning almost 2% APY. Oh man, 2%, that's nothing. No, not a year. Every 5 days. So we'll take that times 65. I'm making 112% APY in Indy right now. So don't tell me DeFi over there is trash. Let's see. Yes, I have ADA. I've been buying since. Oh, nice. Then why do you hate it so much? You're just sour. It didn't get to $10. Daedalus sucks, bro. If you want a layer 1 that will run better and get paid, research Casper. You're trying to save me, bro. Do you think Cardano will get to $3 again? Yeah. Like, what do you think Cardano is going to go to in the next? Cardano has a big community too, just like Hex. Probably one of the biggest communities out there. Well, why do you like? I kind of am hating on Hex, but if it gets to $3, dude, did you see how much Cardano I have? I got enough Cardano. $3, I'll be happy AF. So, will Hex go higher? Maybe. I don't care, bro. Like, again, I hope you make a shitload of money off of it. I'm gonna be just fine if Cardano gets to $3. Again, I'm on the fence with Cardano right now, but I think Hydra is already in a one mainnet, and it's gonna go. The next version of Hydra is mainnet. And now the DeFi is, I'll agree with you. The DeFi right now, I'm not impressed with a lot of it. There's a lot of DeFi that's really let me down. Liquid has let me down. Still got high hopes for Meld, high hopes for Axo, but they're taking their time. Indy's been really well. I'm waiting on to see what USDA does. I'm waiting to see with the Rosen Bridge and Ergo. There's a huge Ergo community, so there's a lot of overlap there. There's some overlap with Algorand. So I think there's a lot of potential, but I don't know. We'll see. I don't know why you're getting all cap crazy all of a sudden. We'll take a look at Casper. You know about the #1 enterprise blockchain? Oh my goodness. Is that what they say? Casper blockchain? Casper network. It's got a stupid name. Permissionless proof of stake. Who else does that? I think ICP. No, they have some weird thing like that. Allow all. Oh my goodness. I'm fucking blind from their website. Are these guys Nazis? What the hell is wrong with them? That hurts the eyes. Jiminy Christmas. Pull your head out of your asses. Okay, I can make a better website interface with chat. This is a vanilla template website. This is terrible so far. Let's look at their Twitter. Let's look, you know what? Let's look at their LinkedIn. Let's just dig right in. Follow. Let's look at the team. Oh, they don't have a team. Okay. Oh, people. There we go. Let's take a look at their people. With these pop-ups. Look at this guy. Formalization and zero knowledge. Those are some weird-ass glasses. All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh, looks like they got a decent team. Complex systems. Their docs. So far, their team at a glance looks pretty impressive. Blockchain technical. Blockchain Web3. Blockchain R&D engineer. So, man, their team's huge. I find this hard to believe. All right, let's take a look. Let's see. Philadelphia. Don't drink the water, bro. You might want to try some different glasses. Those make you look too nerdy. Applied type theorist. What the F? Zero knowledge team wants a future computational auditing. What is Casper? A brief guide to blockchain. Web3. This is just a bunch of buzzwords so far. What do they do? Staking, about us, vision. Facilitate. We facilitate solutions for generation of web builders, business software. Like, I need an elevator pitch, bro. Let's see. I forgot. Yeah, I am. Breakfast stream. I don't eat breakfast till lunch. Just DYR in it. And bro, Ada's not going anywhere. Ada will be in my bag through the next bull run at a minimum. After that, Bob's your, who knows, right? Web3, blah, blah. This is just so far, scale, minimal risk, future proof. They don't really say what this shit is. Casper punks. Using Casper blockchain acquired over 300 new clients. Doing what? Metacast is going beyond basic NFT using cases by combining asset-backed NFT with auction. Wise art. D music. I don't know, bro. Is this on CoinGecko? Casper the friendly. At 114, not bad. Let's see, 11. Okay. Market cap 371 million. That's kind of up there. I mean, this seems like it's got to be fairly legitimate if it's at 111. Let's look at the chart. Yikes. That's an ugly chart. You're definitely buying it at the bottom. It's 371 million market cap. Is it got TVL? How's my trade going? Ooh, I'm down 86 bucks. I don't like that. Crypto must be tanking. Look what I got. I got a spreadsheet going for some AI stuff. We're going to start digging deep. All right, let's see if Casper has anything going on. It doesn't even come up. No results. Casper, like, oh, it's its own layer 1 because it has its own explorer. What is CSPR live? See, logician. This guy's just made up people. What the fuck is a logician? He was a logician at Platonic Systems. Contract software engineer, qualified uncertainty research institute. Dude, this shit squiggle language. Can anyone verify this is real stuff? Orbis Labs for 3 months. Auditor at Ardena. Oh, this has got relations to Cardano somehow. Wasn't Ardeno the first major rug pull on Cardano? That's an interesting fact. Upgradable smart contracts, first blockchain to do that. Upgradable. I can't. What do you mean upgradable? Smart contracts by definition is just code that you can reiterate. They will release their DeFi this year, just like ADA from last year. Is there its own wallet? I'm interested, right? You got me. You piqued my interest on this one. I'll give you credit on this one. I'm pretty sure Ardena was a major rug pull. It was either the major, yeah, this was a major rug pull. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, ahead of. So that doesn't thrill me. But that was in 2021. So hopefully he realized it was a rug pull. All right, look at this guy. Looks like Richard Hart's son. Anthony Hart. Are you kidding me? Is this guy related to Richard Hart? He looks like Richard Hart and has the same last name. Are you fucking rug pulling me 99% trade? What is going? I didn't even see his name and I'm like, this guy looks like Richard Hart. Change the contract after. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like the fact that you can lock a smart contract and then change it. If there's an error, all right. I guess there's pros and cons to every Heliax. Okay, I'm starting to get a little suspect to this project. Is this what is going on here, bro? What is Heliax? It might not have anything to do with Hex, but his same last name looks like him. You can literally spell Hex out of this. Are Cardano and Hex both rug pulls, and we're getting Platonics? Another Platonics. What is this shit? Programming, is this just a college? This looks like a rug pull college that went under. You want more information? A YouTuber, Kevin Cage, deep. All right. Yeah, I'll check it out. Proof engineer, data scientist. All right. He looks like a Nazi. He must have been the guy that did the website. I'm kidding. Let's see. Developer, co-founder. This guy's young. Doesn't have any real experience in shit. Developer advocate. Oh, he's probably just like, is that code for intern? Let's see. Applied cryptography research. Manchester. This guy looks like he should be in a 70s fucking ABBA tribute band. He's been here for 5 months. Chief to Orbis Labs again. Platonics again. Ardena again. As late as a year ago. Which I'm 99% sure Ardana was a rug pull. Devondran, blockchain technical manager, blockchain enthusiast. He's just a manager. How can you be a blockchain enthusiast and certified blockchain expert? How do you even become a certified blockchain expert? He's in India. Like, what? Become a certified blockchain expert. Let's see, you just buy it? $179. I just buy the certification. Let's see. Blockchain certification and courses. I should do this just so I can say I'm a blockchain expert. The course is $179, it looks like. Blockchain cancel. Is this a real thing? Proof. They should just give me the certification right now. Look at this. This looks like a freaking bullshit, to be quite honest. All right, let's see. Now we got someone in Poland. His Casper blockchain project. What is this guy? He's just an advisor. Psh. Okay, what is it? Project engineer? Javier, where's this guy? Switzerland? What's a Mexican or maybe Hispanic person doing in Switzerland? Is he running from the federales? All right. 9 months. He's just a development manager. How do you go from software developer to business manager? Probably because you sucked at your job. Software developer and system engineer. Working as a GNSS and software integration engineer for Escape. This team doesn't overwhelm me. If I'm being honest. Is there anyone in here? Digital asset specialist. This just seems like a bunch of people put together. They got together in a Discord and said, let's put together a rug pull. Like who is all right, Nick Cage. Top 5 Earth in the house. How you doing, brother? I shorted Ultra Shiba Doge. Is that what happened to Oh My? I'm glad you made money there. Hold on. Kevin Cage. All right. Kevin Cage. Oh no, I want this one. Ugh. Oh, I've been looking at Bitcoin ordinals, man. I want to buy one so bad. Kevin Cage. Is he related to the great Nicolas Cage? Casper, YouTube. Which one am I watching? This guy looks like he's dick deep in Casper.
You can watch my videos, and I greatly appreciate any and all support, seriously, so thanks to all that like and subscribe. But I encourage you.
It's got 138K subscribers. Not bad. I've never... Ripple. That's just looking at the chart. No one cares. Let's see. On the Move. Me. Where to buy Casper. I don't see Hex in his titles anywhere. Surprised you like this guy. He's a big XRP. I'm not a fan of XRP either. I don't understand what the Kool-Aid on XRP. See, so he's a big XRP guy. Casper Part 2. Here we go. Good or bad? 1 month ago. All right, I will watch these later.
They're missing the big picture. Banks always win. We can try.
He sounds like a Kool-Aid sipper, one of those bank Kool-Aid sippers. All right, I'll check those out, bro. I'm moderately interested in Casper, but I'm much more interested in things like Layer Zero. You probably never heard of that one. He's not a Hexagon. You have a variety. Yeah, check out. Well, then what are your thoughts on Arbitrum, Layer Zero, shit like that? Sweet, pick. So I think we disagree on Hex and Cardano, but other than that, we might be soulmates. Did we just become best friends? All right. What are we doing? We've already talked about CAPO. We've already looked at crypto. Holy shit. Radiant was just 39 cents, wasn't it? Bitcoin's 20. Oh, shit. Bitcoin's dumping. What's going on in the stock market? Coinbase dumping. Tesla's up $4. Nasdaq down 10. E-mini S&P up 8. No panic button yet, but we definitely want Bitcoin to stay above the 200 on the monthly. That's a pretty big move down if we don't. All right, let's see what's going on Twitter and wrap this bitch up. I don't know much else to talk about. This is your problem. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of e-gold Kool-Aid sippers. I made a comment. I knew it wouldn't be received well. 8 others, your loss. Yeah, I made a comment. My loss. Yeah. How is it a loss? How is it a loss? This guy doesn't shut up about e-gold. I used e-gold when it was called e-gold. You change your name again, you're struggling, right? And I used their DEX, their first DEX. It was a fucking disaster. It was one of the worst DEX experiences. Like, it was down for like over, I think, weeks. And it was made by the same team that creates eGold. If the team that develops your layer 1 can't even put out a DEX and fix a DEX problem, you got a fucking problem. And I wonder why they changed their name again. Oh, and multiverse, blah, blah. Dude, there is no... if eGold's successful, good for you. I don't like to see people lose money. I hope people over there make a shitload of money on it. But it's my loss, my ass. Huh? Good riddance, right? A lot of Kool-Aid sipping maxis over there, right? Don't be a maxi. Like, if you want to buy eGold, great. But it should be a small percentage of your portfolio. If you're one of those Kool-Aid sippers that go out there and put all your money into Harmony One, or put all your money into eGold, or put all your money into Hex, or put all your money into Cardano, right? You got better odds depending on which one I pick. But you know what they say about putting all your eggs in one basket? Putting all your eggs in a risky basket, it's a recipe for disaster, right? Oh, there's no way my chain could go to 0, or there's no way my chain could, like, almost... My ass. All right. The dollar is in rapid decline. Is that true? I mean, looks pretty strong to me overall, especially if we compare it to other currencies. He's a doomsdayer on the dollar, huh? Elon Musk just came to the realization that retweeting Elon Musk is pointless. Literally everyone on Twitter already... Yeah. Elon, the great narcissist Elon. Look at this Walmart. Yeah, Walmarts are shutting down. I don't know. I feel like you can make a lot of money. Just put like four security guards. As many security guards as you need with like stun guns and shit. Or hire a cop. Hire a cop to be on site. I feel like you could still make a lot of money as a Walmart, right? You just gotta pull your head out of your ass. Like, how much does it to hire 4 security guards and have them just constantly patrolling the inside, right? That are experts at... I used to do loss prevention for Walmart. Walk around, catch people stealing, chase them down, beat them down. You can tell, man. You can tell when chicks come in with these big ass purses that are flat as a pancake. They got this like big ass purse as flat as a pancake, and then by the time they're going to the checkout with their $50 in items and their purse is like this. Another move is to diaper bags, Right? Dudes with stuff like cell phones in their pants and shit. Let's see what Reuters is going on in Europe. Largest strike in decades. Oh, man, there's a lot of striking and protests going on. I listened to a really good Mario Twitter space this weekend about the shit going on Iran. Wait, Iran. That's how you pronounce it, Iran. One of my really good friends is from Iran, man. Anyway, yeah, dude, this one bro was on there and they are sick of that shit over there. Let me tell you. Iran, we should help them people out. You know what I'm saying? But that's potential. We're like, there's some strikes going on in Syria. Iranian militant group killed a contractor, injured a military bro, and we did some precision strikes. We got China getting involved. We got Ukraine. Apparently, like, there's some new video with Ukrainians using Starlink to do chemical warfare with drones. Those are war crimes, bro. I mean, you know, those like Ukrainians and Russians are kind of hardcore though, right? So, I seen a video of a drone dropping a chemical grade on 2 Russian soldiers, and it just killed them in this like creek. You guys probably don't know what a creek is unless you're from like the Midwest, but yeah, pretty gruesome. Verdi Train Union and Railway. What like this? Germany. Oh, and then there's some evidence, and like with the whole Nord Stream pipeline, of course we blew that shit up, but I like with all these chemical spills and shit going on, I wonder if we're under attack. My buddy says, "Oh, these train derailments happen all the time." I don't know that we've had this many water sources, or we just don't talk about it, right? First of all, who the hell's drinking water from the Delaware River? They must have one hell of a good water treatment plant. This is a boring story, Ricky. Is there something in here I'm missing? All right, a standstill. That sucks. Fiscal squeeze. Where else? Israel. I think they're protesting. I think I saw their this is like, what was that? March on Wall Street shit called in 2008? I can't remember. Something like that. But that seems to be happening all around the world again, everywhere except the United States. And you're going to tell me the US dollar is doing bad? There was some countries last week. Where was it? They were bitching about Social Security chains. I forget what they called it over there. This video will be studied by historians. Are you getting a little too fly? Are you getting a little too... Let's see. Let's see if this video will be studied by historians. You've piqued my curiosity with that
motherfucker.
Oh,
give me my fucking money back.
Excuse me, sir.
Is that a guy?
Excuse me, it's ma'am.
Transgender,
It
yeah.
is ma'am.
I can call the police if you'd like me to. You need to settle down.
You need to settle down and mind your business, okay?
Both of you guys?
Ma'am, once again, ma'am.
I said both of you.
No, you said sir. Once again, it's ma'am.
I actually said both of you guys. It was a general.
Right beforehand, you fucking said sir.
I want to stop this video right now.
Give me
This
a
is...
man, because yes, get it for me now.
Yeah, that might be. I listened to a lot of politic shit from Mario this weekend too. There's a lot of people that get his politic video spaces are hard to listen to, man. There's some real extreme people in there, but deep state and wokeism and, man, tempers flaring those shit. This whole, I'm not gonna give my opinion on it. I don't want hate against transgenders and X, Y, Z's, hey, shit, but It's also confusing a lot of kids. A lot of kids, I believe, are kind of doing this just because they want to be different. Kind of like goth. Does anyone do goth anymore? It's probably a fad with a lot of these he, she. That's a fad that will likely go away. I mean, there's still going to be some binary people and shit, but I don't know, man. I really don't know. Maybe we can, and there's nothing wrong with that, right? I was getting ready to say something pretty extreme, but I'm not gonna. Let's see. I'm getting a little tired of the woke shit. I'll tell you that, right? Defund police, defund these nuts. Like, why would you? I don't even. What the hell? All right. Hello. AOC joined TikTok to talk about TikTok. You know what? I would love to go out with AOC.
TikTok about TikTok.
Love.
Now, this
I wouldn't want to
week,
listen
the
to her,
CEO
but
of
I'd love to
TikTok
go out
came
with
to
her. All right. Mesoamerican. That's pretty dope. Oh, Elon, what is going on here? Man, how do you go from what's her face to this? I don't. What's the name of that singer? Yeah. Oh, she's definitely a smoker. Definitely. AOC? Are you talking about AOC or this girl? This girl is definitely a smoker. AOC.
Growing rumblings and discussion over
she doesn't give me smoker vibes
on the app. Do I believe TikTok should be banned?
This is a bit shocking. He hasn't had hair transplants. Watch a cube being made with staples. Like, can we just, this, that's kind of cool, I guess. There's been a lot of, Twitter has become an awful lot like 4chan lately. Bunch of memes and porn. They need to have their own sub-Twitters. Maybe that's what they should do. Put all this dumb shit in its own sub-Twitter. Or at least filter it. And I get sick of everyone like retweeting the same shit over and over and even trying to act like it's their own content. Look at that. Oh, Elon, also I would never, is this, oh, this is a deep fake. I was going to say this didn't really look like him at all. It looks like, yeah, this even looks AI generated now that I think about it. This whole thing's a deep fake. So this is made up. Yeah, that makes more sense. There's no way, Elon. No way. No way, bro. Mr. Callum in the house. Long time no see. How you doing, brother? We can, yeah. Yeah, he's annoying. Grant Cardone's always in those Twitter spaces. I wonder if they're doing a Twitter space right now. If they are, I'm immediately hanging up. I kid. No, but Mr. Wolf is doing one. Mr. Wolf. All right. Clever Node. This guy's a Cardano WMT Kool-Aid sipper. Bins that go hard. This video I've seen 1,000,000 times. Like this guy, 37 different people have tweeted this video and acted like it's their coverage. Right? If you haven't seen this, you're not on Twitter. This tire falls off this truck. Fucks this car up. That white truck, a tire is going to come off. Look at this guy swerving, not giving a shit. Man, hopefully that person's okay. But apparently the Tesla auto driving swerved the tire, which is pretty cool. Look at this truck, asshole trucker thinking he owns the road, just doing whatever he wants, and then fucking this guy up. Dumbass can't even tighten the lug nuts on his. Oh, did it show the? All right, so oh, it did swerve to avoid it. Pretty impressive, and then slowed down. If he didn't interact with that, that's pretty impressive. I'm kind of fascinated by this video. Look at all these people just driving like assholes. This Tesla's barely. I mean, oh my goodness, dude! I cannot believe it. It launched the car up in the air like that. That dude's probably okay. And then the tire comes back and rams it in the end for just one extra fuck you. Wow. That poor person had a bad day. Woof, woof, roof, rough. Yeah, woof. What the? I want a penguin as a pet. I feel like those would be pretty. Is there going to be sun? I got to go out and get my sun, my dose of sun. Justin has purchased an additional 150 million in Bitcoin. Yeah, you should be buying like crazy now. Uh-oh. I want a duck. Oh yeah, this is the guy. Kenya getting rid of the US dollar. I don't know much about this. Market will look different in a couple weeks because Kenya got off the dollar. ESPN celebrates Leah Thomas, ranked 400 as a man. Is this guy is obsessed with transgender people. I'm assuming that's a transgender person. I'm sorry, transgender people, a dude that becomes a chick should not be allowed to compete in women's sports. Is that wrong? I mean, have a whole different woke Olympics, right? Have a whole different woke Olympics where all the transgenders, he, she's, its, and theys can compete against each other. Right? I don't think it's fair that dudes become chicks and then go MMA, right? Well, I mean, to be fair there, if a dude becomes a chick, he's probably taking estrogen, and then the chick's probably taking testosterone. So I wouldn't be surprised if the chick usually beats the dude that became a chick in MMA. Layer 0. Let's see. I need to make sure I'm doing everything I can to get this airdrop because I'm extremely bullish layer 0. Follow these steps. Go to the USD faucet, put in your get. All right, we're definitely going to do that. You know what? Blockchain address. I mean, we can do this right now. Oh, fuck you. Please click each image containing a dog. That's a dog. That's a dog. That's a dog. Dog. Cat. Dog. It's kind of hard to tell. Dog, 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 dog. Jesus Christ. ETH. Put in your, all right, so I'm assuming we do ETH. USDC. All right, so I got some testnet USDC. Go here, connect your wallet, bridge your USDC. It doesn't tell me to move to testnet though. I'm not sure. Oh. All right. Where did I go? Right here? Oh, I gotta go to Gorley. At least it picked that for me. I think I'm gonna have to flip GOE. No, I gotta flip. I gotta flip. I don't Gorley not on here. Add network. How do I search? It's locked? I thought it was already in MetaMask by default. Visit the Chainlist website and connect. Select and include. I've heard of this Chainlist before. Data wallet. I don't know if this is. Yeah, I've heard of this one. Let's check the SSL. Include test nets. This is kind of cool. Gorley, connect wallet. I need to do this on all my wallets. Get a shitload of, maybe I can get a shitload of layer 0. I'm on Gorley. I don't see my USDC. Asset, import, USDC. Should be the same address. I got too many tabs open. Can't keep shit straight. This address, a known Ethereum mainnet. Recheck USDC on GO address. All right. Let's see. Smart has been deployed. Bob's your uncle. I don't see it. Did it not add? Let's try. I must not hit save or something. USDC add. There we go. I got it, baby. I'm bursting, Jerry. Oh, I'm busting, Jerry. Or he says I'm busting, right? All right. I gotta close some of this shit. Let's close all this. Casper, the friendly ghost. I'm a ghost. Anyone can name what movie that's from, I will be super impressed. He's like, I'm a ghost. There's no way. All right. 57% say he's a genius on 7 votes. I am surprised. 43% say he's a clown. I would have expected that vote to go the other way. But you guys have been bearish. I'll give you that. GMX. Hex. That shit's going bye-bye. Gecko. Where were we? All right, let's move this all the way to the end. Get USDC bridge. USDC on testnet. Bridged on Stargate. Gorley, what am I bridging to what? Bridge your USDC from step 1. Bridge USDC on to what? To maybe it'll show up. Oh, this is layer 0. This is a layer 0 bridge. So max. Not enough native for gas. Faucet. I think I need some ETH. Send me ETH, bitch. I'm not a robot. You should have. It won't let me. Please sign up or log in. Ugh. Fudge. Verify. Okay. God damn it. More CAPTCHA. It's not really. There we go. Ugh. Zero, bitch. Skip. This is garbage. Now I'm going to get a bunch of spam I don't care about. Oh, wait. Alchemy Connect. That's kind of a cool graphic. And this website's got more better design than Casper. Someone call me transphobic because I don't think it's fair to chop your dick off to have a competitive advantage. Maybe. That's pretty cool. It's kind of like an Etch-a-Sketch, I guess. All right. Max to Fuji. I don't. Oh, so this is layer 0. Layer 0 is really cool because it allows you to go from one chain to another. Is Fuji on Avalanche? Yeah. Is this some subnet? Is Fuji, or is this just a test net on Avalanche? Probably. Let's see. Transfer. Right now, you want to know what I'm doing? I'm doing some steps to get that sweet layer 0 airdrop. Use default. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. The pen. I don't know if that's going to go through. I might have to do it again. I need some more caffeine or a nap. I'm on Cardano. No bueno. Go to Ethereum. Bueno. I think we're going to have to do this again. Approve. Review. It works with Ledger. Approve and send. Okay. This is, well, layer 0 is not going to be fast because it's going from one chain to another natively. So it's got to go through an off-chain relay and tie it into an oracle. Pretty dope stuff, man. So I don't know how long it's going to take. I'm going to follow up with these steps later. Waiting for, oh. You do not have enough ETH? Ugh. I should have all kinds of ETH. They don't even give me enough ETH to do ETH. They don't even give me enough ETH to do this shit. All right, I'll deal with this later. Engineers fixing bugs, man. All these memes, dude. What? Shit's so stupid. Why am I getting all these memes? I don't care. The great Robin Williams. This guy again. I want to go chat GBT. Plug into Twitter. Disable all the garbage in my stream. Give me a downvote button. This must be people in Tel Aviv, yeah. Iran, man. Flow of deposit bit, yep. Let's see. Line at Target to buy bottled water in the city. I feel sorry for these people. Man, I wonder if they're limiting them to how much water they can buy. Like, can you take showers? Fuck, bro. This sucks. Heartbreaking. What did this guy have to say in 1964? $1 42. I'm not gonna listen to that. It's too long. AI set Cardano ADA price for Easter 2023. Oh, okay. Let's see what this AI thinks Cardano is gonna be in April. I mean, what, like 40 cents, 20 cents? We'll trade at 32 cents on April. Okay, boring. I think when you have a dog and cats are the best friends, that's the most precious thing ever. This is kind of dope. What is going on here? Is he just... What the hell? I love this stuff. For AI tools. I'm going to get the ChatGPT prescription. I thought they were going to... Oh, I thought that dude was going to go dunk. Oh, that's fucked up, dude. First of all, I thought this kid was going to dunk it. And then you just reject someone in a wheelchair? Like, this is fucked up right here.
Your touch don't feel good, but we run from that truth. You ain't gonna find someone like me, it ain't no one like you. Go ahead and get another body.
I thought he was gonna go in and dunk it.
Your touch don't feel good, but we run from that truth.
That kid put all the, like, he put in all the, like...
Go ahead and get another body. Lose feelings, but instead that's what we...
Yeah. Let's see. CFTC versus Binance. Why is the CFTC going after Binance? Can you just ELI5 it? Like, why? I don't want to read this. Why? Bro, why, DB? Why is Robin Williams all over? Bitcoin fixes what Robin Williams was talking about? Okay. Charles. All right. We're going to see what the new tweets are. You can download a YouTube video in like 5 lines of code. Okay. With Python. I can also just go to a website, enter the URL, and hit the click download button, bitch. Kim.com. Another UFO. Black circle. What is that? Flame spiraling out of control.
Кошмар какой-то.
A helicopter on fire, spiraling out of control. Crypto exchange Binance and founder CZ sued. Here we go. Sued by the CFTC over regulatory. That'll be a slap on the wrist.
Что это у нас творится здесь? Кошмар какой-то.
I'm assuming this is a Wizard of Oz. Yeah, that's from the Wizard of Oz. Someone, Putin was smoking a cigar and he blew a really big
Что
smoke
это у
ring.
нас
That's what that
творится
looks
здесь?
like. Dun-dun-dun. The new ads on what? She can do squats better than I can. She's pretty limber. Working on her goose step there. ChatGPT prompts to finish hours of work in seconds. Shorting coin, hand over fist. Scorched earth is speaking of. Bitcoin. Ew. This is ugly. I'm going to be down big. I'm down $154. Yeah. I'm keeping it on. If I lose it all, I lose it all. If it goes to 1625, whatever. What's the stock market doing? It's a little bloody out there, boys and girls. E-mini S&P's 4.5. Look, Nasdaq's only down 49. Looks like a little bit of manipulation in crypto right now, right? Because Binance is getting sued. Let's see. Bitcoin's still up 47%. Let's get off the monthly. Hard rejection at the fib. Meh. Whatever. Whatevers. All right, everyone. I've been streaming. Oh, here's what are their names? Aaron and I forget the other guy's name. They both start with A's. Looks like he's got some big old clown shoes on there. I can hardly tell who's who. You can tell when they talk though. One's more like of a dick. Let's see. Missed out on all these people saying if you missed out, people made millions. Come on, dude. No one made millions off Arbitrum airdrop unless you were already a millionaire and you put a shitload in. Kenya signs deal with Saudi Arabia and UAE to buy all the Kenyan shillings instead of US dollars. Well, that probably costs like $3. Coinbase takes a commission based on the rewards you receive. Who cares? All right, everyone. You all have a great rest of your whatever time of day it is for you. I'll be back tomorrow for sure. Let's see. 2 likes. I wonder how many people we had watch over on Rumble in the Jumble. Looks like only 8 views so far. No likes over there. All right, everyone. Love you all.